Hey everyone! I recently posted a makeup test of Fjord from Critical Role, and it seems like a lot of you liked it. So I made a poll on my Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see a tutorial on how I did it. And this is the result. So enjoy! For this makeup, I'm using Maron Paradise Face Paint. I'm using colors light green and deep sea. I'm also using a little bit of black. You also need makeup sponges, eyeliner, and some eyeshadow. To start this makeup, you'll begin by applying the deep sea green around the top part of your face. This product can be applied with a little bit of water and by dabbing it on your skin with a makeup sponge. How do you guys spend your Saturday nights? This is what I do for fun. Because Fjord has an undercut, I also apply the makeup on the sides of my head and around my hairline. Take a few seconds to rethink what you're doing at 2 a.m. and how you're going to have to wash all this off before you have to go to bed. Then realize, well, I've already come this far. Don't forget to get inside your ears. Make sure to take the makeup down the back half of your neck. Once you feel like you have good coverage of your darker green, it's time to move on to the light green. Apply the light green in all the uncovered areas, along the tip of your nose, chin, and neck. I also apply the light green along the bridge of my nose and my brow bone as a highlight. Then start blending the deep sea and the light green together to create a nice gradient. Just like the light green, I also use the deep sea green as a contour color under my chin. I then start to fill in my eyebrows with black eyeshadow. Fjord has large eyebrows that point down at the ends, so use a lot of eyeshadow. Once you're happy with your base color, we can start adding definition with eyeshadow. I add a dark green eyeshadow above my eyes and along the sides of my nose, and smooth it out with my finger. I do the same thing with under the bottom of my lip and my cupid's bow. For the cheek contour, I mix the deep sea green with a little bit of black. Here I'm drawing and filling in the basic shape and blending it all together with my finger. You can correct any mistakes with more paint. I take more of the black and green mixed paint and draw it along my jawline. I also fill in my top lip with the deep green paint. Time for eyeliner. I was struggling a lot to put on eyeliner when I was recording this, but I basically just lined the top of my eyelid and my waterline with black eyeliner. Now for the scars. Fjord has a small scar on his top lip and a large X-shaped scar on his forehead down over his left eye. For this, I'm using a white eyeliner pencil and shading it with the same green eyeshadow from before. I take the light green and mix it with a little bit of white to add some highlights. For the ears, I'm using some cheap elf ears I got from Amazon and painted them green. I don't have the correct cat eye shaped contacts for Fjord yet, so in the meantime I'm just using some golden brown ones I've had on hand. For a nice final touch, I made some orc teeth out of Instamorph plastic. These sit over my bottom teeth and are quite comfortable. And with that, the makeup is finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful if you're doing your own Fjord cosplay or just want to mess around with some makeup. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more cosplay content like this. Also be sure to check out my Instagram because that's where I post the most often. It's 2 a.m. and I need to go wash all this off my face.